Yes, I can be bought, guys. Simple, pure and simple. I can be bought. Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's WinnieBeeLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro. It's just this ho. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. We're smack dab in the middle of it. At the time of this recording, I am going to share with you because I think the topic is being discussed. I believe that Super Jacob broached the topic of doing, sponsorships, and is it wrong? Is it, should YouTubers and Instagrammers and TikTokers take all of these sponsors and all this and get paid for sponsorships? It's just a lot of talk about it. Amelia Rose, she just did a video. I will post down below. I will also post Super Jacob's channel. If I mention someone in this video, I'll put them down below. I will add them and you can go over to their channel. I believe that Autumn Beckman has done a little bit on the topic as well. So it is a good topic, and I thought I would just tell you what in the last month I have made in sponsorship deals. Now, it being the time of year that it is, not a whole lot of sponsorships going on, and not ones that I have taken. I'm also going to read to you, maybe look at my phone and tell you what all kinds of sponsors do approach a small YouTube channel. Now, bear in mind, I am trying to get to 8,000 subs at the time of this. Maybe I have around 7,700, 76, somewhere around in there. I don't really know, but it's somewhere around in there. I'm just on the precipice of those 8,000. Can you help me out, girl? But anyway, I just believe in transparency. I just believe that, here's what you should know about what we do if you're not a YouTuber, or if you're someone who is just starting your YouTube channel and you're kind of curious as to what kind of sponsors will come along. And I will tell you that sponsorship started for me. Now, I approach companies. Rose Forever, one of my biggest sponsors. I love them. I approach them. I do believe I approached Jeulia. There's a lot of times that if you are someone that does YouTube or whatever, or social media of any kind, you call yourself an influencer. I don't call myself that because I'm definitely not. But anyway, the big channels, you can go on a lot of these sites, and that's what they want. They want you to sign up for their, they want you to sign up for their influencer program or whatever. And a lot of times I do, and I just get cricket. I'm going to tell you who I got sponsored from in the last month and how much in money and product that I got from them. I'm just going to be real with you guys. I'm going to put it out there. Let me know what you think. So if you hear a lot of crying, wailing, gnashing of teeth, that means my grandkids are downstairs and their mothers are trying to corral them in. Such good times. That's why I come up here and do a video, so I can hide. Nene loves those grandbabies, but sometimes she needs a little break. Alright, I'm just going to tell you. So when you see the links that I post on my community posts that most of us post, those are, and I say it down in my box, girl. When I post a link from Magic Links, that is who I use. There are several different ones that people use, the linking services that you can make a little bit of money. It doesn't affect what you buy. As if you click on my link and you buy something, you get charged nothing, so it's nothing out of your pocket. It's just a small percentage that these companies like Magic Links will pay you. So in the last 30 days from Magic Links, I have made $143.91. That's what I got paid. It's not like that every month. One month I made $50. Actually, for like 3 months in a row, I made like $50. So that was kind of a good month to me. I think the most I ever made was like $211 or $300. So it's not as lucrative, but I haven't been on my linking game as well. I haven't been buying things that I wanted to show you and link. That's usually the best way, is if I show like a Coach bag. A lot of people will click on my link because they want to see, or if it's on sale, or if I post a big sale, people will click and they buy that way. So Jeulia, one of my favorite sponsors, they give me product. So they send me product, and they also do a commission-based program. I don't believe I've made anything off of any commissions ones from Jeulia in the last 30 days, but they did send me some really cute earrings. These are Idyl. I haven't done a thing with them in a while, so they're not in on it today, but the earrings that they sent me were $100. So I count product and money and just link that all together. Try Treats, as you see, Bill and I do the snack boxes from around the world. I love doing that video. They don't pay me a dime, but they do send the boxes to us for free. That box particularly that we tried, $25.95. So, you know, Rose Forever, I did get a commission from them, and I also got free roses this month. So in product and money, around $298, I'll say. Amazon links, they have their own partnership program that that is one of the first things that I signed up for. So if you're just starting a channel, definitely go on their Amazon Associates link and try to sign up with them. I didn't get turned down or anything just right off the bat because they don't care. They're trying to get you to link everything that they have so they can get links and money, you know, from their links. Am I saying that right? Yeah. I'm sounding crazy because all I can hear is the baby screaming. From Amazon this month, I made $64.54, and that is it, guys. That is the sponsorships that I have had this month. That's the money I have made. SINBONO, I usually make a commission off of SINBONO, Jeulia, and Teddy Blake, but I haven't made anything off of any of those in the last 30 days. Hopefully I will, but I leave their links down below because those, if you click on them and you happen to buy for Mother's Day, hint, 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 I do see a little bit of like a 10% off of total sales commission. And I think, you know, some of them send it to you like once a month. Sometimes they wait like once a quarter. I also make money from Rakuten, which you can make money from Rakuten just by getting people to join with you. I think it's like $30. So sometimes I see in my Rakuten big fat check, I get money, but I haven't gotten one in a while. So the total of everything, money and product that I made in sponsorships in this last 30 days, $632.40. So there you go. I'm not out here killing the game, guys. So those are the people that I generally deal with and who approach me, or I will reach out to them if I haven't done anything in a while and say, hey, can we get together? So yeah, I did, like a lot of these, I did reach out to first and say, hey, I would love to show your product. And that's how I kind of got my foot in the door with some of them. And then now we've become partnered up, and there you go. Also, I wanted to tell you about some of the stuff that I get offered. Not offered, but I will say people approach me. Hey, I saw your channel. It's like a stock form letter. It's like a letter that they send all the people that, you know, have a channel at a certain, you know, I wouldn't say, I guess if you're over, I think I heard Amelia Rose say, once you hit 10,000 subscribers, I think you get, you know, you have a little more leeway, or you have a little more pull to get income that way. But I'm not that big, so I don't get much of that. I'm happy to get what I get. And YouTube, like Amelia said, like it does take time, effort. It's just a lot of sweat equity into it, really. And I enjoy creating stuff. I enjoy doing this. So I feel like, yes, I can be bought, guys. Simple, pure and simple. I can be bought, and it doesn't take a whole lot. Sometimes that's product. But anyway, here's some of the sponsorships that this month, just in the last few days, that has approached me. Something called Stream Elements. I think that is, they're wanting me to push like HelloFresh and something else, but it's called, yeah, Stream Elements. I didn't check on that. That's something I probably wouldn't get into. Let's see. Here's one that is, hi, how you doing? Joy Hong. That's a Chinese company. It's not necessarily reps, but this one says they are selling on Amazon binoculars, digital picture frames, and other things. We'd love to send you something if you'd show it on your channel. I probably won't do that. I mean, not that it's a bad thing. It just doesn't fit what I have. You know what I mean? Here's a Chinese replica company wanting me to show replica bags. They want me to pick out 3 bags, and from those 3, they'll send me 1. Yeah, and I didn't respond to that. I'm going through my deleted. Here's something called Posse. Oh, girl. Oh, Posse. Yeah, Posse. Sorry. I got really excited there for a minute.
What the fuck?
They do slides and like spongy sandals. They wanted to send me some sandals. And usually these companies that want to send you product, they don't want to pay you anything. Very occasionally on the occasion I get like here's somebody that wants to send me some shirts. They don't want to pay me anything. And then you get a lot of scamming going on, like really things that are too good to be like, we are going to pay you $1,000 for 1 minute if you show our software or whatever. And I'm like, well, I don't show that. So that's not something that I would do either. Here's another one. This guy says, hi, I'm Johnson from An Eagle. That's the name of the company. We request a collaboration. It's a lighter brand, so lighters. So you see the kind of like I don't get a lot of handbags. Oh, here's some trying to help you get more sponsorships and more some kind of search thing that, hey, if you enjoy exploring your creator analytics, you'll be excited to hear that we've now released a free user access to our platform. So yeah, it's a lot of things like that. Yeah, just what is this? Another business. This guy is pushing the air purifiers, and that's fine too. I wouldn't say no to that, but I kind of try to keep it within, you know, like jewelry, handbags, the Rose Forever I love. So there you go. So that's just a look at what you get when you do a sponsorship through a small channel. And like I said, I heard the YouTube people call anything between 100 and 10,000 subscribers is a nano channel. So that's where I am at. So yeah, I think Smoky Glow, and I will also try to find that video. She did a really good video about the beauty influencers and how beauty influencers used to have to be Jeffree Star and Michaela level influencers, James Charles and whatnot, to get, you know, PR packages and stuff. And of course, all these big beauty brands wanted to send them that because they, you know, had millions and millions of subscribers. But then they also had to pay them tons and tons of money. So hey, it's kind of like a pay to play sort of thing, kind of plug-ola if you ask me, which is in my old business was kind of taboo to say, but yeah, it's kind of like that. Like these big, huge beauty influencers, they would get tons of money plus all the products, and cool, and then they do a 2 or 3 minute whatever or show the product and they'd get paid. But then the brands started realizing that the smaller influencers under 10K subscribers like me would basically do backflips to get free stuff, and then everybody was applying. So it's a whole thing. I'm gonna find that. Smoky Glow, if you ever watch her, really love her channel. She's very informed. Her videos are really good, but she was breaking it down in one of her videos and I was like, oh, I have to share that with you guys. But if you get a chance to watch that, that really explains. She is using the beauty influencer market to explain the whole sponsorship deal. So tell me your thoughts about it. Do you think YouTubers should get paid for showing products? Now, I assure you, I promise you, I do take things that I want. So you saw the 5 or 6 things that I read off to you that just maybe I could have made some money on it, but it just didn't seem to fit what I wanted to show. It just wasn't a good fit for me, and I don't accept everything. I do read through them and see if it's something. Like I've had the silk people, not Lily Silk, but another silk company approach me with, you know, we'll give you an eye mask, and so I don't use that. So it's not really something that I would particularly take. So yeah, I do read through a bunch of them, but you know, there's certain things I won't do. So yeah, guys, I know it feels like I have a lot of sponsorships, especially at Christmas, but it's basically the same 5 or 6 that I deal with, and that's about it. Would I take more? Yes, if it was something that I could make money on and that you guys I think would like, and that I would like to have, I probably would, because like I said, I can be bought. I know it sounds superficial and I hate to say it that way, but I can be bought, but it has to be a good product. And people, we all tell you that, right? And I don't say I like something unless I really do friggin' like it. There was a jewelry company that sent me, I get a lot of jewelry pushing people, but there was a jewelry company, not that I dealt with them one time, and their jewelry was subpar, and then they offered again to work with me, and I was kind of like, no, we're okay. And they were only going to give me product too. So I said, nah, we're going to pass. So I do turn people down. I actually do turn people down even after I've used it and I thought it was shitty. You know? So anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that clears up some of the sponsorship on my end. What I do, I can't speak to other people. Everybody's channel's different. Personally, I love doing the Amazon links because it's no frills and whatnot. You don't make terribly a whole lot of money, but I love doing those videos because people enjoy them. And like I said, all those links that I gave you for the Amazon lookalike videos, I made $68 on those. And that's okay. 68 adds up. If you add, you know, like I said, you get to $600 or $700 plus what YouTube pays you. It's not too bad. I can save that money back and, you know, pay for the bag that I have currently on reserve with Fashion File. So every little bit helps. So there you go. I hope this was cohesive because I feel like I jumped around all over because I really kind of tried to map it out in my head, and then I was just like, let me get away from everybody for a minute and film this video. I hope you guys have a great rest of the week. I'll be back here on the weekend. Hopefully I'll have something to show you. Oh yeah, she said that a few times. No, really, I'll have something that, I think I bought some Etsy stuff that I thought you would enjoy. Well, first of all, I knew I would enjoy them, so I bought them, and then I was like, let me show you. And I bought some little tiny micro bags that I thought were cute. So one of those kind of videos, I don't know. Maybe a collab video. I just don't know, guys. The sky's the limit, but it will be fun. I promise you. And do me one quick favor. Hit that subscribe. We're family, remember? Girl, if you watched a video 2, 3, 4 times of mine and you're not subscribed, what are you doing with your life? Get on there. Hit the subscribe. Go ahead and hit it. I'll wait. You ready? Go. Did you do it? Oh my God. Thank you. All right, and do me one more favor. Comment down below, hit the like. And if y'all see my husband, girl, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Girl, nothing new to show here. I have on Dolce & Gabbana, the, what is that? Cool blue, what's it called? I can't even remember. It was a gift from Jackie. I love you for sending me that because I do wear it quite a bit. It's very good. I have that on today. Is it light blue? Light blue. And also, I am still carrying that damn cherries bag. I know, guys. I know. I'm crazy. I was gonna say though, if I had to pick a sponsorship that I really would love to get in bed with, like seriously, it would be, because I'm dirty, right? I'm kind of nasty. It would be like a toy company, like Adam and Eve or something like that. Seriously, I wouldn't mind. I've thought about sending them, but you know, I think they only F's with like great big channels, and that's cool. But yeah, I would love to. I think we would be a good fit. I don't know. So yeah, you guys know what? I love battery operated boyfriend, Bob. So maybe they'd send me product. What? Oh my gosh, girl. Yes. Girl, yeah, if y'all see those Bob people, let them know your girl is into it. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo, biatch.